Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that absolutely blew my mind, Ross Goldberg's accidental SEO. Now if you're like me and have ever wrestled with SEO, you know how overwhelming it can feel. Algorithms keep changing. Strategies that worked last month suddenly stop working, and before you know it, you're stuck chasing your tail trying to keep up. Well, Ross Goldberg's story flipped that narrative for me. And I think it's going to do the same for you. So, here's the deal. Ross was once an SEO guru. He lived and breathed it. He even had a brand that ranked on page 1 for the term SEO software, a fiercely competitive keyword. He was about to close a 6-figure deal for that brand when everything came crashing down. Google changed its algorithm, and his methods stopped working almost overnight. What struck me was how relatable this felt. Imagine building something with endless hours of effort, only to have it crumble in an instant. Ross could have given up or spent more time trying to beat Google at its own game, but instead, he made a pivotal decision. He decided to stop fighting Google altogether. Let them have their ever-changing algorithms. Instead, he developed a new approach, something he calls accidental SEO. And let me tell you, this method is refreshing because it focuses on simplicity and value rather than gaming the system. What really caught my attention was when Ross demonstrated how his method works. He pulled up his own search results using an incognito browser to ensure there were no personalized rankings. He showed how his content ranks for competitive terms, even without a high domain authority or link-building campaigns. For example, he ranked for terms like daily traffic that converts, and even for product names other marketers would kill to dominate. And get this, he didn't do it with a ton of backlinks, expensive tools, or hours of research. The heart of accidental SEO lies in its simplicity. It's not about trying to outsmart Google. It's about creating content that genuinely helps people. Ross emphasizes solving real problems and providing value first. No hard sells, no complicated processes, just help people, and the traffic and eventually sales will come naturally. Ross also brought up an excellent point about competitive keywords. He explained that many of those high-volume keywords everyone fights over aren't necessarily the most useful for businesses. Instead, he focuses on terms that attract ready-to-buy leads, people who already know what they're looking for and just need someone to solve their problem. That's the kind of traffic that actually converts into sales, and Ross's rankings are proof that this works. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this method hold up against traditional SEO advice? Well, Ross completely flips the script. Instead of spending hours on keyword research or obsessing over backlinks, he spends just a few minutes targeting terms and creating content. He skips all the extra noise and puts his energy into what really matters, delivering value. One of the things I love most about this approach is how accessible it is. You don't need to be an SEO expert or have a huge budget to make it work. You just need to care about your audience and understand what they need. And honestly, isn't that what good content should be about anyway? For me, this method feels like a breath of fresh air. It's straightforward, it makes sense, and it puts the focus back where it belongs, on helping people. If you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed with SEO, I really think Ross's approach could be a game changer for you, just like it was for me. Thanks for sticking around and letting me share this with you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next one.